nicotine and tar everywhere. You look at the ceiling right now, the stains. We have already cleaned it once. So what we're going to have to do is come in and we use a product from Sherwin-Williams. It's a shellac product, which will literally encapsulate everything and kill the smoke or smell. The kitchen was originally just a small kitchen, boxed in, very small. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this wall over here. We've also done a little sketching out on our kitchen cabinets. You'll see markings down here along the wall. And what we're doing is we're trying to visualize how the cabinets are going to go in to make sure before we order them that they're correct. Because the last thing you want to do is, be putting cabinets in and have the wrong sizes here. So that's all being verified. We're real good with that. And then we got to decide when we're knocking this wall down exactly where our center island is going to go. There is supposedly going to be a beam, like we talked about earlier, coming down. So that location has to be found too. So we're in the decision moments of a recon when you open things up and you really see what's going on. If you look here, this was a window going out to the backyard. You're going to see a header coming across here. You come over here, this was the doorway going out to the backyard, another header. So this whole room was an add-on, and you can see they even, when adding it on, built another wall on the exterior of the interior, however you want to say that. So I got two walls. So that's another thing we're looking at before we put our beam in, is exactly where it's going to be positioned, and then again, where our center beam's coming down. Take a little walk in the basement here. Watch yourself. We don't have a railing. So before we get going on this house, I'll have a temporary railing put in here for safety. So in the basement here, it was a partially finished basement, so we just gutted out everything and we're going to start over. This is going to be just like a little knee wall area and closet. So kind of like a mudroom. You come in, kick your shoes off, maybe a bench over here. You got a closet for your jackets. So it was just, trying to, get as much maximization out of space and have it be, working for the new homeowner. In these older homes, a lot of times there's not. You walk into the house, like you look at the front door there, you walk into that front door, there's nowhere to put your jackets, put your shoes, like a mudroom. So that's what we've created over here. This is my buddy Dalton. He's not feeling too good. Wow. You can see he doesn't even have his green on. I mean, come on. No Irish?
Wear that this weekend.
All right. So he's doing a little final work for me, putting backer in where we need it for sheetrock. He put these A23 brackets in here. See that? See that? Those are required by the engineer, and I got called out on it. I did not have them in when my inspector came, and of course he caught it right away. So they are in now. I've taken pictures of them. I'll send them on off to them. And again, we are done with our rough-ins. Another beautiful day here. Spring is in the air. Tulips are coming up. Leaves are going. And I got my blue shirt on with my blue tape. So it's blue tape day for me. And I tell you what, I get butterflies in my stomach because you know what that means? I'm almost out of this project and this thing looks absolutely fantastic. Remember, at the beginning, it stunk. It was ugly. It was closed in, empty, basement wide open. And now we are to the finished product. All we're doing is the touch-ups. So come on in. So as you see here, we got our flooring down. Everything's done. My finals are done. I only have one permit to close out, and that is the building permit, and that will be done next week sometime. But you look around, you're going to start seeing blue tape, and that's because I'm walking this house and I'm looking at everything. We decided to take a doorbell down. He didn't want the old box there, so I got touch up here. I have an attic hatch that decided to disappear during construction, so I'm building a new attic hatch and getting that done. The bedrooms here are pretty clean. I don't have much blue tape. I did, if you come along in here, we missed a door bump, so if you open it hard, it's going to go right into the closet. So those are the little things that come back to bite you, because if somebody came in here before this thing sold, opened the door hard, I'd have a hole in a closet door, and then I'm back here again fixing stuff. So those are the things I'm looking for. All I can say is I can't wait till my next one, but this is a good day. I'm getting a little emotional because I'm out of here and the owner is happy. Thank you. We'll see you next time.